People with oily skin are also prone to develop dry skin at some point or another. And it can affect any part of your body. It is not a disorder but a discomfort. It makes the skin look dull, itchy, cracky, or scaly. Many people believe, my skin is dry. Let me get some moisturizer. Moisturizer is not a solid solution to get rid of dry skin. There are plenty of effective home remedies to get rid of dry skin. Dry skin is not a disease. There is a common misbelief that it is an indication of an underlying skin disease or disorder. Many skin conditions cause dry skin. Symptoms of dry skin. There are a few apparent symptoms to notice the changes in your skin. People with dry skin often find it itchy. Following are the common symptoms of dry skin. Itchy skin, tiny cracks in the skin, small patches in the skin, skin appearing rough, red plaques, dark and hard cracks. While you can develop skin dryness in any part, arms, hands, and lower legs are the most common dry areas. Constant scratching makes the skin thick and hard. Millions of people develop dry skin at some point in time and very often. Usually, during winters, the skin lacks moisture. 1. Water. The simple, powerful, and most effective home remedy for dry skin is poor hydration. Retaining the adequate quantity of water content in the body from dawn to dusk keeps the skin healthy. An average individual should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Staying hydrated flushes out the toxins in the body and keeps the skin healthy and glowing. 2. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is the most effective home remedy for dry skin. Aloe vera is a miraculous healing plant. The gel has fantastic cooling and moisturizing properties. It quickly absorbs into your skin. It makes the skin soft, elastic, and retains moisture. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is light, airy, and antioxidant-rich oil. It is rich in fatty acids and makes an ideal supplement for your skin. Olive oil suits your skin and removes the dryness. You can use olive oil as a replacement for your regular moisturizer. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is an ancient remedy for many skin conditions. It is a potent home remedy to treat dry skin. Many chronic skin conditions find good relief by applying coconut oil. It is rich in lauric acid and is a fantastic moisturizer. 5. Petroleum Jelly. Petroleum jelly is also referred to as mineral oil. It has been used as a powerful moisturizer for several decades. Petroleum jelly has been proven to reduce the impact of dryness in aged people too. 6. Foods for dry skin. It is essential to have a healthy diet. Generally, fresh fruits and water vegetables provide sufficient hydration and help retain the moisture in the skin. Poor diet also aggravates skin dryness. In a majority of cases, dry skin improves when you try any of the above-mentioned home remedies. If the condition persists or if you develop flakes or severe itchiness, visit a dermatologist. Rarely, people may need dermatology treatment to get rid of dry skin. We hope that going through the above home remedies for dry skin on the face, hands, and body will surely help you.